This video covers view orientation. Many parts do not fall into the category of orthographic drawings. Many times, for presentation purposes, special views of the model are needed to convey the correct visual representation of the model to those who are going to be manufacturing it. To create a custom view with the model open, position the model and zoom and/or pan, if needed, to obtain the desired view. Bring up the View Orientations dialog by one of the following methods. Using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+U, from the main menu, go to View, then Orientations, or from the ribbon, or from the Orient View toolbar. Click the Add button and give it a name that will be meaningful to you. Click the Close button to close the dialog. To access the view, open up the Orientations dialog box. Select the view you want to show, and press the Set button. The model will now rotate to the saved view. This dialog box can be left open during the design process. When creating a 2D drawing, you have a selection of standard orthographic views such as front, right side, and top, as well as isometric views. Orthographic views are rotated in 90-degree increments. If you need a 2D view of a part or assembly not rotated by 90 degrees, and an isometric view isn't what you had in mind, you can create a custom view in a 3D modeling workspace and insert that view into a 2D drawing. The Orient To Plane feature provides a means of creating a view where a selected surface is set to be perpendicular to your view of the screen. Click on the Orient To Plane icon. Select a plane to be perpendicular to your line of sight. Select Zoom to fit the workspace if you wish. We're also going to set this view to a perspective projection rather than an orthographic projection. In perspective mode, entities further from the viewing camera will appear smaller, adding a bit of realism to the view. We'll add this view to the list of views in the orientation dialog. Now we save the assembly and return to our 2D drawing to insert this view into the second page. We saved a 3D model before returning to the 2D drawing to update the 2D drawing so our new view will appear in the list of views to place on the drawing. The second sheet is selected. Select Standard on the Insert Views group on the Drawing Management ribbon to bring up the Standard Views Creation dialog. Next, we'll click on the Workspace Orientation button and select our custom view from the list. This makes our custom view the front view. Since this is the only view we're going to place on the second sheet, we'll deselect the right and top views. When the OK button is clicked, we can see the outline of the view we're about to place, hovering and moving with the mouse cursor. A left mouse button click places the view on the sheet. To change the scale of the view, left-click once in the white space around the view and adjust the scale. It's important to click in the white space for this operation because if the object is selected, you'll be presented with different options. This is a context-sensitive function. This video covered view orientation. You learned how to create and save custom views. You also learned how to place a custom view in a 2D drawing.